Whawhalava, kia ora, malolele, maloni, and warm Pacific greetings to you all. My name is Eteroa, developer evangelist at Xero. Welcome to this episode of the Community Corner, where we answer questions from our beloved developer community. Today, we're going to look at a question from Ryan. Xero only allows 3 redirect URIs per app, and with the implementation of Sign Up with Xero, we consumed all 3. Can Xero give us an option to add more redirect URIs? We've been asked this question so many times, so we're happy to let you know that we can offer you more than 3 redirect URIs. A common use case is an app having regional specific callbacks, i.e. a callback domain for each regional version of the app. So this could look like etisapp.com/NZ, UK, AU, and so on. When a user successfully authorizes their app, we redirect them back to the app with a code that can be swapped for an access token. The URI we redirect must exactly match a redirect URI registered to that app. To support multiple regional domains, more than 3 redirect URIs are needed to be supported. There was a workaround, but feedback from Ryan and other members of our developer community told us that we could make some improvements so that it's faster and easier to build cool things on the Xero API. We also know that as more apps implement Sign Up with Xero, there might be a desire to have a separate URI for that process too. So, let's show you how it's done. Once you log into the Xero developer portal, you can go to your app. Once you're in your app, on the corner left, you can go Configuration. And inside Configuration, under Connections, you can see Redirect URIs. Now, back then, there used to be a limit of 3. So, let's say Etisapp NZ and Etisapp AU. And that was that. But now, after pressing Add Another URI, you can add as many as you want, up to 50. That's right, another one, and you guessed it, another one. And that's it. It's relatively small but powerful feature, which we hope you will make the most of as you develop with Xero Developer. Pro tip, if you want more information about redirect URIs, check out the link in the description below. If you have any questions directly to us, email us at api@xero.com or reach us on the socials. Got any ideas for the Xero API? Well, you can use our Xero user voice at xero.uservoice.com, where you can submit and vote for ideas in our community. Well, that's me for today. Like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.